Hello, my name is Reginald, and welcome to another edition of Microsoft Office Access 2007 tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the font size and type in SQL View. This will be accomplished by meeting the following objectives. Use the Microsoft Northwind Traders database. Open SQL View and examine the default font type and size displayed on the screen. Change the SQL View default font size and type. And finally, reopen SQL View and verify our results. Well, let's get started. Let's open up Microsoft Office Access 2007 in the Northwind Traders database. Well, here we are. Let's scroll up above until we locate the Create tab, which is right here, and let's select it. Now let's come down a little and scroll over to the right until we locate the other tab, and here it is. And let's go up a little ways and let's select Query Design. And let's scroll down to the Show Table dialog box and come down a little further and to the right, and let's click on Close. Now let's scroll over to the upper left hand corner to where we see SQL View, and let's click on the down arrow and let's select SQL View. And this right here, you see the command select. This is our default font right here. You can see it's rather small, and we would like to change that. So let's begin the process for changing the default font size. Let's first come to Query 1. Let's right click on it and let's click Close. Now let's navigate to the upper left hand corner of the screen to the Office button and let's select it. Now let's scroll down and to the right where we come to Access Options and let's select it. Now let's come up to Access Options and let's select Object Designers. And let's come over to the right and go down to Query Design. And let's come down a little further. And here we see Font. And if we click on the down arrow right here, we can change to a different font if we like. But I'm satisfied with this font right here, so I'm going to leave it as is. But I would like to change the size. And here the size is right here. You can see by default it's a size number 8, which is fairly small. So let's click on the down arrow, and I think I would like to change it to size 14. So let's select 14. And let's come over to the right and down a little ways, and let's click on OK. Now our font size should be changed. So let's go back up to the top of the screen, and let's select the Create tab once again. And let's come down to the left until we locate the other tab, which is right here. And let's go up above a little ways and click on Query Design. And let's come down to the Show Table dialog box. Come down a little further and to the right, and let's click on Close. Now let's scroll all the way back up once again to the left corner of the screen at the top to SQL View and View, and let's click on the down arrow and let's select SQL View. And now you can see our font size has been changed to number 12, or rather 14. Well, praise the Lord. This has been another Microsoft Office Access 2007 tutorial with Reginald. Thank you.